Hello and welcome to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're going to make some chicken nuggets. Now this is about 1.5 breasts, fully ground up. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of meat seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, just to give it a little kick. And let's stir this up a little. Okay, paper was at the bottom. Okay. Stir this up a little. And then we're gonna add just about 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Maybe a little under 1/3. That should do it. And we're gonna add 1 egg. This makes it so easy to do. And we're gonna stir this up. I have my pot here that I'm gonna fry it up in. We're just gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes in the refrigerator, and then we'll start frying. Now that the chicken has rested in the refrigerator for a little, let's start making them. Now this is just 1/2 cup of flour with enough water to cover the flour, make it into a slurry. We're just gonna dip the chicken in the flour and then into our breadcrumbs. Now everybody makes their chicken nugget the size that they like. I like mine a little bit bigger. Just a little bit bigger. This is just so that the breadcrumbs will hold on to the chicken. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, could be a little hotter. Okay. It's getting there. These are gonna be so delicious, guys. see what's going on with the first one. Some more breadcrumbs. And you don't want to crowd your pot because this is cold. And the temperature will go down. I'm just going to put on these and set them aside. Like I said, mine is a little bit bigger than your average chicken nugget. But that's how I like it. Alright, let's see what's going on here now. The good thing is that they don't take a long time to cook. This is something you can make for lunch. Snack. Whatever you choose to do. Give that one a little bit more color. Oh, do you hear the crispiness on it, guys? There we go. Listen to that crispiness, guys. See that? Juicy, delicious chicken nuggets. And we have some barbecue sauce to go with that. That's what we're talking about here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Crispy chicken nuggets. Like I said, I like mine a little bit bigger than your average chicken nuggets. I like a 2-bite chicken nugget. Turn my stove off. Thank you guys for watching Judy Cooking 360. See you guys next.